Welcome to a tutorial video where I show you guys how to stream or record any games like PUBG Mobile, COD Mobile, Minecraft, etc. from your phone using PC without the help of Elgato capture card, that too wirelessly. So the minimum things you need is a phone, a PC and a wireless router. You need two more apps, which is the OBS Studio, or you can use Streamlabs OBS or XSplit. It's up to you. I personally use the OBS Studio, and number two is the Air Server Universal. I've put the links of both OBS Studio and Air Server Universal down below in the description. You guys can go over there and check it out. After you're done downloading and installing both the apps, open Air Server app, and you will get a prompt like this. It will appear in a moment. Yeah, this is the prompt which you will see that Air Server is running in the background. You can go to the Air Server settings and mess around a bit. There are a lot of options to customize, like you can change your quality, video quality, you can change the display, you can show FPS and audio, and lot of other things you can customize. Also, don't forget to change the computer name because it will be easy for you to connect to the PC. Now I'll show you guys how to connect from the phone. Firstly, go to the notifications and make sure you have turned on the Wi-Fi and connected to the router. Second step is to go to screencast and obviously press it. You will see your computer screen, your computer name here. You can press settings to change it or choose from the list. So mine is Datsker, so I'm gonna click on Datsker and start screencasting now. When you start casting, a window will appear on your screen like this, and this is exactly what you see on your screen, which is really fast and responsive. See, my phone's brightness is a little bit high, but it is exactly as fast as it moves on my phone. So this is what you get to see here. Now I'm gonna minimize this window and open OBS. After opening OBS, go to scenes and press this plus button to add a new scene, and name that scene anything you want. I have already created a scene and named it tutorial, so I'm just gonna go to tutorial, and here are the sources. There's an option to add a source. I'm gonna add game capture source right here and name it Air Server and press OK. There you go. So this window pops up, and you have to then go to mode and select capture specific window, and another row pops up named window. You have to go to that window row and select airserver.exe and press OK. Here you go. This is my screen right here, and I can drag it and make it as big as I want. Currently I'm not dragging it because then you guys won't be able to see the OBS. So now I just have to go and open any app I want. Like, let me open PUBG for now and see. There you go. This is my PUBG, and you guys can see it's opened right here. I can increase the size, I can decrease it. Now I'm gonna just drag this to full screen, and you can see the game running behind my webcam. This is an overlay. The sources list is an overlay list, so you have to place your server below your video capture device so that you can see your webcam. So that's it. Now you can stream or record your gameplay with your webcam footage simultaneously with OBS. There are some pros and cons of Air Servers, obviously, like you can screencast wirelessly without any lag, but it is free for just 30 days. After that you have to pay like $20 to get it. So that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, you can ask me down below in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.